Assalamualaikum guys, it's me boy Anas Ahmed from Anas Official, and this is my another mobile photography tips video. Guys, today I will show you how to take Sweet Ninja photography with mobile phone. So guys, please watch the full video and without any skip. There we are first divided the mango into 3 parts and hangs it with wire or stick like that. Then click and open the photo with Snapchat. Then select the healing option. Now carefully drag the wire for healing. The viewers very carefully heal the wire. Now see, the wire has gone. So guys, look at this is looking so amazing. Now the wire has gone. After I edit the photo and see this looking unbelievable and amazing. The viewers, now let's talk about this photo. The viewers, to take this photo, first you need a tripod for stability.